Hello viewers, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Parvez World. Today I'm going to talking about the new product of Dell wireless mouse WM326. Let's check it out. What is in box? First of all, I'm going to cut the sticker, and then after opening the box there is a mouse. There is some quick start guide and safety environment and the regulator information book, and there is a battery in there. Okay, and all the box is empty. Okay. Let's check the mouse. You can see the mouse look like fantastic. Overall the matte finishing, the arrow indicator, the click option, and as well as the left click and the right click. You can see the back side. Please press the both button on the mouse and it's easily open. And next, please insert the battery on mouse and pull the dongle. You can see here is the 1 and 2 magnetic header which can attach the mouse cover within mouse easily. You see? Then here is the button to power option. This is off and this is on. And you can see here is the indicator light, the mouse on, which is showing the mouse on. Check it once again. This is off and this is on. Then put the dongle on your laptop or desktop. Actually, I would like to say this is one of the premium mouse from the Dell wireless segment. Its touch and feel is very fantastic and very smooth. The overall the finishing of the matte finishing of the mouse actually is easily controlled, and the click option. Here you can check the mouse configuration on the any online like www.dell.com or any other common site in over the world. You can buy the mouse from all over the country of Bangladesh. This mouse is available with the maximum retail price 1,850 taka. So take care. Bye bye.